للشعب ودادا ليكن ربك للأرض مداد قلم أنت فكم عبرت عنها وبنيت.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I have been assigned to represent the tertiary sector. Tertiary sector is all about providing services and connecting the products of the economy to the people. It includes roles like teachers, doctors, service providers, etc.
First of all, have we ever thought what do I really like, what do I want to do, what do I really like, what do I want to give my society or as an individual? So this is one question I would like everyone to ask yourself, what I'm really good at as an individual, because we hardly think about ourselves.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, I am Huzaifa Javed and today I will be acting like as a farmer in primary sector, and today I will show you how farmers of India cultivate rice. First, land is tilled with the help of machinery. Not only with machinery, in India many farmers use traditional methods. Then small land holdings are fertilized with pesticide and compost, etc. Then paddy seeds are sown. When seeds are grown into saplings, land holdings are being prepared. Then these saplings are grown as shown in pictures. When paddies are harvested, this is the picture. When paddies are harvested, grains are separated from the stalks by the process of threshing. Then it goes into machinery, and here is the finished product.
Good afternoon. Today it's me Zahia along with my partner, and we are here from grade 8, and so today we have to act as doctors. This is because we have to simulate or represent the tertiary part of tertiary sector of the economy. As doctors, our role is to ensure the health and well-being of people by offering medical care and support. Thank you. So we are here for the same.
ليكن يومك للشعب ودادا ليكن ربك للأرض مداد قلم أنت فكم عبرت عنها وبنيت.
So today we have made these bracelets, and it was the work assigned to us by Mr. Ismail sir. We are so thankful to him, and now we have made these bracelets, and it took us a lot of efforts to make these bracelets. So now I will show you how we made these bracelets, and I will tell you the steps. So number one step is that you have to thread the beads in the string in your desired pattern, and then you have to knot the string in first knot and in second knot, and then you have to cut the excess material, and your bracelet is ready.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Asifa Mubarak with my friend Dana Mushtaq, and today we will show you how biscuits are made. So making biscuit is secondary occupation, which is converting raw materials into finished goods. In the process of biscuit making, raw material is wheat, and biscuit is finished good. So first, farmers cultivate wheat in fields.
The harvested wheat is transported to a mill where it's ground into flour.
So then flour is purchased by biscuit factory, where it is mixed with other ingredients like sugar, butter, salt, and to create dough, and then it's cooked and then packed into biscuits.
At last, biscuits are distributed into markets and then people buy it.
Good afternoon to all of you. Today I am Fajr Mubarak in front of you to inform you the processing of raw wool into knitting. First we cut down hair of sheep, then we wash it and let it to be dry for a few days. After drying it, we make fiber together to make a strong thread. Finally the yarn is completed into knitting. To make sweaters. Good afternoon everyone. Today I am Asra Mubarak from primary sector, and I will tell you about how we cultivate apple. First we spray trees, and then we give fertilizers to trees. After few days the buds get blown into flowers, and few days there we see small apples, and then few days big apples, and then we harvest them, and we clean them and packing them, and at last we pruning the trees.
للأرض مداد قلم أنت فكم عبرت عنها وبنيت المجد أقوادا جداد